How to export ChatGPT chats without copy-paste. First of all, head over to any web browser. Once you are in the ChatGPT site, right here at the left you must see the option of export chats. But if you don't have that option, what you need to do is move into a new tab. In the search bar, you need to search for AI PRM for ChatGPT. Head over to the very first site. It will land you on this page. You need to add this extension to this web browser, so tap on Get and then tap on Add Extensions. Once it is added, it will take you to your ChatGPT site. And then right here at the left side, you'll get to see the option of Export Chat. Let me just make one conversation with ChatGPT. Now if you want to export this chat without copy-paste, just tap on this export chat right here and you can simply just download this file on your device. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to export ChatGPT chats without copy-paste. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.